everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking about my favorite things for spring of 2021. We are getting into spring. It is warming up around here. I'm super excited and I just wanted to show you the different things that I have been enjoying in this spring season. I've got a couple items from beauty, I've got some shoes, and I have some fashion and accessories to show you today. So I'm just going to get right into it. All right, the first thing I want to talk about is beauty. You'll have to excuse me, I am going to be putting on my glasses so I can see. And the first thing I wanted to show you was this cleanser right here. This is from Glow Recipe. It is one of my very favorite companies. I love their products. They're very natural, they're researched, and they are really, really good for your skin. So this one is the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. And what it does is melt your makeup off. So I am a big fan of the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Cleanser, and when I use it in conjunction with this, it gets off all of your makeup and it smells so good. So this is papaya. Wow, I really closed it there. Holy moly. Okay, so this is it right here. Has a beautiful papaya scent. It comes with a little spoon so you can spoon it out. You just take a little bit, maybe about a half of a teaspoonful, and you just start spreading it all over your face, and it melts into your skin and it melts off all of your makeup. So it smells delicious. It has that enzyme property too, and it just gets all of your makeup off. So if you struggle with any sort of waterproof mascara, or just sometimes some things are harder to take off than others. I always find that eye makeup is the worst, and this gets it all off really easily. Once you're done with this, you rinse, and then I would go to my cleanser. I always use the Blueberry Bounce Cleanser from Glow Recipe. It's fantastic, and it's a great combination, but I especially wanted to mention this. I've never talked about this before, and I've really been loving it for this spring season because it really, really gets your makeup off, and it's a great, great product. Okay, next up is a hair product. This is from L'Oreal Elvive, and it is called the 8-Second Wonder Water. So this stuff is a phenomenon. There are great reviews all over the internet, all over everywhere. I actually found out about it by reading the newspaper because our local newspaper has a beauty column once a week. And this girl who writes this column was actually raving about this stuff. And I'm a real skeptic when it comes to hair. So let me just explain about my hair. I have really curly, naturally curly, very frizzy hair. It's been the bane of my existence my whole life. I've struggled with it my whole life. In recent years, I have managed to get it under control with a couple of good products. I use Rita Climate Control to get rid of the frizz. I use my InStyler to style it, which gets all of the frizziness out, and I can either straighten it that way or I could curl it. And I also have been using a color correcting shampoo, which helps as well. I'm kind of going gray, and I've been incorporating a lot of grays and different layers of dark and light in my hair to sort of make the transition to gray really easy. So while my hair has been looking better, I thought I would try this, and I have tried everything. Not kidding, I have tried everything. So my whole life, people have been promising me, oh, this product will work or that product will work. I even did the Brazilian blowout, 2.5, 3 hours, $250 of worth of work and effort, and it really didn't make the slightest bit of difference in my hair. But this, they said, is really, really different. So I thought I'd give it a try. I went to the grocery store. They had it readily available in the grocery store. It was about $7.99, something like that. Not very expensive at all. Again, I have to put on my glasses so I can read you the instructions. But basically, this is a hair transforming lamellar rinse out. Wonderful, silkier, shinier hair, no silicone, no weigh down, and that is the truth. There's no silicone in here. It does not weigh your hair down. So they tell you that if you have thicker hair, like if you have thick curly texture, if you have some really coarse hair, you probably want to do like a double dose, but the general dose is 20 milliliters. So they have these little markings on the back of the bottle so you can see how much you're using. And initially when I first tried it, I did try 2 doses because I thought, well, my hair is curly and it's going to need it. But I found that I didn't really need it. It also says that after you use it, you can use a conditioner to finish up. And the first time I did actually use a conditioner, but then I realized I didn't really need the conditioner either. So basically what I've been doing is washing my hair with my color correcting shampoo. I actually use like a purple shampoo to keep away any of the brassiness. And then I finish up with this. So what you do, it's a liquid. It's really a very thin liquid. You could probably see it sloshing around in there. And you just put it on your hair. It's got the little pointy nozzle, so it's easy to get on your hair. You can put it on your scalp. You could put it in the palm of your hand, which is what I end up doing. And I run it through my hair. And once I've got my 20 milliliters on my hair, then I comb it all through as if I was combing through my conditioner. And I let it sit there for a minute. Now it says 8 seconds and it'll be done. And 8 seconds is nothing. I want to make sure this stuff is going to work, right? So I leave it on, I shower, whatever, and then I rinse my hair. And occasionally, depending on how I feel about my hair, if it's really, really dry, I might put a little bit of conditioner on the ends. But after that, I style as usual with my InStyler, and I have to tell you that it has really, really worked. I'm shocked by this. I can't tell you how shocked I am about this, because I've really never experienced a product, a hair product that has made much of a difference in my hair. And again, I'm in my 50s. My whole life I have been trying to find something to smooth down my hair and get rid of the frizz. And this has done it. So between this and my Wee Dog Climate Control, which I use afterwards to keep the frizz down, and my InStyler, I have to say that I have absolutely been loving my hair. So my hair, I feel, is looking better lately, you know, if I do say so myself. But I can highly recommend this stuff for about $7 a bottle. You can't go wrong. Give it a try. Even if you're a huge skeptic like I am, and I am a huge skeptic about hair products because I have tried everything. I once bought a $144 Russian amber shampoo. Didn't do anything, but this did. So give it a try. Again, it is from L'Oreal. It is Elvive 8-Second Wonder Water. I cannot recommend this stuff enough. Okay, next up, I'm moving on to one of my favorite topics, which is shoes. And I have to give a quick mention to my Golden Goose Superstars. I have been loving these this spring. They are so easy to get on and off. They have turned out to be really, really comfortable. There is a wear-in period. If you're interested in these, check out my last video. I'm gonna link it up here. I did a comparison between these and my Adidas. Both of them I love, but I have to say that I have a special place in my heart for these Golden Goose because I find them extremely comfortable after I have worn them in. So I've been wearing them everywhere with everything. They go with joggers, jeans, dress pants, they even go with skirts. And I have absolutely been loving my Golden Goose Superstars. The next pair of shoes I have to show you are my Gucci slides. I love these. I didn't actually do an unboxing of these. They came in the prettiest Gucci box, and I don't even know where I put it. I think it's up on my shelf. But it was such beautiful packaging, and there are so many YouTubers and Instagrammers that are loving these shoes. And I blame Yoda from Yoda Style for these because she was raving about them. She got them in a couple different colors, and when I saw them, I was like, I just have to do it. I have to do it. And so I got them in the black. I figured black was going to be the best starter choice for me. They are a little bit on the heavy side, but they are jelly, so they're made out of rubber. They have a nice thick sole. They have a big chunky heel. They have a square toe. You slide your foot in, and it does say Gucci on the front. It's not as obvious on the black as some of the other colors, but I do have to say they have been very, very comfortable. We've had a really nice stretch of weather here in Pennsylvania. Usually April is miserable, cold, rainy, snowy, but we've actually had some really beautiful weather. So for Easter Sunday, because I was cooking all day and we were gonna have company, I decided I was gonna put these on, which were, you know, they were a little bit more dressy than bedroom slippers as I was in the kitchen the whole time, and I love them. They were so comfortable I forgot they were on my feet. So even though when you pick them up they do feel a little heavy, they're really not that heavy on your feet. They're completely waterproof, easy to get on and off. Really, all you have to do is slide them on, and I have absolutely been loving them. So a lot of people have said to me, you're gonna get another color, and I may be getting another color. So for rubber sandals. They're actually not badly priced. The Valentinos cost a lot more, and I just love these. So go for the Gucci slides. I really can recommend them. Okay, and the last things I want to talk about are an accessory. So I do have my Ferragamo belt, and my belt is something that was on my wish list for 2021, and I actually did manage to get it. I did another video on how to cut it because when I got it, it was quite long, and I did cut it for my fit, but here it is right here. It has the beautiful silver buckle, and it is reversible. It's on the thinner side than some of the really statement-y belts that have been out for a while. So it's about 1 inch. It has this sort of creamy taupey color on one side, and then on the other side it is black, and it does have a silver buckle. So I have one other belt, Ferragamo, which has a big gold buckle, and I thought I'd get the silver, and I just love this. It goes with everything. You can wear it with jeans. I've worn it to work, dressing things up a little bit. You can also put it on a dress if your dress comes with like a self belt, you know, and you want to just deck it out a little bit more, make it a little bit more upscale. This is perfect for it. So I feel like my Ferragamo belt is an absolute classic. It's never going to go out of style, and I loved the gold one so much that I went ahead and bought this one, and I can't stress enough how much I love it. It is just so pretty, so easy to wear, so classic, an absolute must-have in my wardrobe. Okay, next up is actually the top that I'm wearing today. This is from White House Black Market, and this is called the Jet Setter top, and they do have it in loads of different colors. It comes in solids. It comes in this little print here, so it's sort of like a floral print, and it has the V-neck. It's got a seam down the front, so it's a little bit different from your classic t-shirt. It sort of has dolman sleeves, but it's really, really comfortable. And between all of the different colors that it comes in and the ease of wearing, I have to say that this is one of my favorite things for spring. I love t-shirts for layering pieces. I always wear a sweater to work because you never know whether you're going to be cold, whether the heat is even on in the building when I go to work, and so I'll always have like a lighter layer underneath, and then I may have a cardigan. Sometimes I do wear a blazer or a jacket, but this is the perfect t-shirt, and I can definitely say that I'm probably going to be getting this in a couple of different colors. I think they're on sale right now too. So you definitely want to check out the Jet Setter t-shirt from White House Black Market. And the last item I have for you today are a pair of jeans. The jeans come from L'Agence, and they are the Highline skinny jeans, and they are pretty well known for a particular look that they have. So they've got the cut open knee, and they also have the chewed hem, which is what I guess they call them. They are considered skinny jeans, but honestly, I don't find them as skinny as some other jeans that I have, and I really do like the look of them. I think that the little chewed hem that goes up in the front is very, very flattering, and it looks absolutely fantastic with heels, but you can also wear it, of course, with flats. I have worn these jeans with my Golden Goose over and over again, and I love them. They are a little bit higher in the waistline, so no longer are we having those low waist situations where you bend over and things are hanging out. So I am enjoying the higher waistline. Now, it is called a high waist, but I have to say that I don't find it to be as high as some of the other jeans out there. It hits at my navel, which is really not that bad. I am short-waisted, so anything that is really super high will hit me in my ribs, which I don't find comfortable at all, but these aren't bad. And again, they're called skinny, but at the same time, I don't feel like they're super, super skinny. They don't really squeeze my legs, so I am enjoying the look of them. I enjoy that distressed look, and even though I know they say that skinny jeans are going out of style, hey, we're still buying them and we're still loving them. So these are really hot too, these L'Agence Highline jeans. You should definitely check them out. They are a little bit more on the pricey side, but heck, you know, when you're wearing designer jeans, you know it, you feel it, and that's what you're paying for. You're paying for the look and the feel. But I do love these Highline jeans, and I would definitely say that they are easy to wear, both with flats, with sneakers, with sandals, and also if you want to dress them up a little bit with some heels, as I have done in the video. By the way, those are Gucci heels. They're a couple years old, but I do love them. All right, guys, that is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I'm going to link as many items as I can down below in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Take care.